Hello! This video will provide a quick demonstration on how to bring in survey points from a CSV formatted file. Before you begin, open your CSV file with a text editor. You will see the values are delineated with a comma. This is how we will manage the data from within PLS-CADD. In the software, navigate to Terrain, Edit, Merge Points from External File, Merge XYZ points from user-defined XYZ files, and select your survey.csv file. The first User Terrain Import window will open up. Click the Import Format button and begin delineating the values from your CSV file. Click on the XYZ button to input the import parameters for the X-coordinate values. In this window, you can see the XYZ values are located in column C of the CSV file. That's the same as saying the X values are between the second and third commas. To indicate this in the import parameters, use the nth occurrence of specified string option from the drop-down. Specify a from value of 2 and a to value of 3. Put a comma in for both of the search string boxes. This is telling the program that the X values are found between the second and third commas in the CSV file. You can see the appropriate values are highlighted magenta. Use the same method to specify the rest of your data. The Y northing values will be from the first comma to the second comma. The Z elevation is between the third and fourth commas. The H height is between the fourth and fifth commas. If you do not have information in your CSV file for height, you can use the default value option and input 0 in the box at the bottom. For the feature code, you'll want to start from the fifth occurrence of a comma, and in the To selection, use end of line. If your feature code is provided as a text description, you'll also want to make sure you have this box checked for text feature code description in the second User Terrain Import window. Once you have the import parameters formatted the way you would like, you can click the Save Settings option for future use. Other considerations for the import parameters include several checkboxes on the first User Terrain Import window. If you do not have a feature code file set up, leave the automatic creation of feature codes which do not exist yet after asking for permission selected. Verify your coordinate system and project units prior to importing your data. In this example, you can see my project units are set to meters, but I know that my survey data is in feet. I will cancel out of this window and fix my units in File, Preferences. Now, when I navigate back to Terrain, Edit, merge points from external file, merge XYZ points from user-defined XYZ files, I can click Load Settings to use the IMP file we just created. My survey data units are set to feet, and I have verified my coordinate system with the surveyor. Be sure to review each of the import options to determine what makes the most sense for your project. If you have any questions while going through this process, please reach out to our support team at support@powline.com